Turn your passion into masterpieces. Discover Ted's Woodworking. Do you dream of creating incredible furniture, unique wooden toys, or impressive woodworking projects? Have you ever felt frustrated because you don't have the right plans, clear instructions, or the knowledge to turn your ideas into reality? Woodworking is an art, but without the right guide, it can feel like a maze of trial and error. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and build with confidence. Introducing Ted's Woodworking, the most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans you've ever seen. Whether you're an enthusiastic beginner or an experienced woodworker, Ted's Woodworking is your shortcut to success, eliminating frustration and accelerating your woodworking journey. Imagine creating stunning wood pieces with professional precision without the need for years of experience or expensive equipment. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your projects come to life, the admiration of friends and family, and the freedom to build exactly what you want. With Ted's Woodworking, you'll have access to over 16,000 detailed plans, each with step-by-step instructions, material lists, and clear diagrams, making every project a pleasurable and rewarding experience. Why is Ted's Woodworking the only woodworking resource you'll ever need? Over 16,000 detailed plans. From furniture to toys, garden projects to decorative items, Ted's Woodworking offers an unparalleled variety of plans for every skill level and taste. Never run out of ideas again. Step-by-step instructions and 3D diagrams. Each plan comes with clear, easy-to-follow guidelines, accompanied by 3D diagrams that show exactly how each piece fits together. It's like having a master woodworker by your side. Accurate material lists and cutting instructions. Save time and money with comprehensive material lists and streamlined cutting instructions. Ted's Woodworking ensures you have everything you need before you begin, avoiding waste. For all skill levels, whether you're a beginner picking up a tool for the first time or a veteran looking for a new challenge, Ted's Woodworking has plans that perfectly adapt to your experience. Exclusive bonuses. In addition to thousands of plans, you'll receive guides on woodworking techniques, design software, and more, taking your skills to the next level. Don't let a lack of plans or project complexity stop you from realizing your woodworking dream. Ted's Woodworking is the ultimate solution for those who want to build with confidence, creativity, and success. Thousands of woodworking enthusiasts have already turned their passions into reality with Ted's Woodworking. Be the next to create something extraordinary. I always wanted to make my own furniture, but I felt lost with the plans I found online. Ted's Woodworking changed everything. The plans are so clear and detailed that I feel like a professional. I've already made several incredible pieces for my home and received compliments from everyone. I recommend Ted's Woodworking to anyone who loves woodworking. Act now. Your woodworking journey starts today. Click the link in the video description and pinned in the first comment and secure your access to Ted's Woodworking on the official website. Don't miss the opportunity to have the largest collection of woodworking plans at your fingertips. Awaken your inner woodworker with Ted's Woodworking. Your creations await.